Today he has got this auditorium. The first brick, when the first brick was put, he uploaded the image. He has uploaded all the things. Tomorrow he is going to buy a car. He had said he is going to marry also. Okay, so all the pictures will be there. So beta, means you are creating your digital data. Your grandchildren or my grandchildren will see my Facebook account. Are you getting my point? We have got carbon footprint. In the same manner, we have got digital footprint. And these digital footprints will be utilized by the machines, and they will be the member of your family. Ever young, they will never get old. As young as they are first day or the last day. Yes, I will come to you. You are also right, but I respect your opinion. Emotions are emotions. Okay.
Like we are here and expressing your views, but we can learn like chat gpt has also a power to we can communicate, but we cannot get such emotions like that. We can practice on like a platform like pw talk, speakx, where robots are doing for communicating, but we cannot get this type of environment. So AI cannot replace humans. We have a group discussions.
Your AI agents, or it means nowadays we have got the AI anchors and they are delivering better than you.
But the emotions they when we connect when we connect.
Let me explain to you. Okay, I am done. Better please listen to this carefully. Suppose today you have to anchor this program. Okay. So you have said to the AI, okay, this is Mahesh sir, this is the program of him. You upload my one video. Okay. The entire video will be analyzed by AI. Then you will say, prepare the same thing on this. Then with every emotion means Mahesh sir speaks loud. What does Mahesh sir do? Means he asks questions. Sometimes he attacks bitterly. All the things will be prepared in the note of what? Written text. Now it will be given to 11 labs. 11 labs will imitate it as it is. Then it will be given to robot. Now delivery will be...
Sir, but I am connected with you. I am emotionally connected with you. I understand more with you, not with AI. So the emotional connection is with the teachers, not with the person who is a robotic.
I will give the answer of this, but I have to finish it. Okay. Yes.
Sir, actually, most of time we we think we do something, but we can't do something. I'm saying AI will come. Definitely, AI will come, and we will do job in future because we are living for roti and ghar. So definitely we will do job.
Actually, I want to talk about the one app on Play Store. That's name is character.ai, and that character.ai, it's really intermediating your humans emotions. And you can talk with, if you are alone, so you can talk with any person, any girl or any boy, and so it can really connects with you, and the answer they are giving very good, and even very humanish also. And also believe that app is very growing very fast.
Okay, last opinion from sir. After that, I am going to finish it.
Yes.
Okay, let him speak.
Yes. Actually,
Let him speak.
yes. First, you want to speak?
AI also said that please consult if you are please consult with the doctor. Last AI said so that if you want to more about this, you have to consult the doctor, because the doctor is who understand all the things, not AI will understand.
But AI can help to AI is a one platform which arrange the doctor. If you are choose one doctor who sit in the Mumbai, but who want to diagnose with him, so you can connect with the help of AI through Zoom meeting, yeah, Tracto app. So this thing.
Yes, I would like to finish it. Okay, what is your last
In
opinion?
India, AI has already done one operation. Yeah.
Yes, these are the robots, or you can say now the robotics. But you have said very well. You have said very well. Means at the end, you are recommended by the AI. You should consult to the doctor, no doubt about it. But I would like to tell you, means doctor is also dependent on AI. Okay, I will tell you how. Okay, beta. Thank you very much for this discussion. You have participated very well. Okay, and he had said very well, it is the reality of life. Whether you accept it or not, you have to live with this. Thank you very much. Okay.